At the Iowa Clinic Physical Therapy, we work to assess the possible underlying causes that may lead to the risk of falls. This includes assessing lower extremity strength, making sure that your hips, knees, ankles can all function to the level that they need to for walking around, getting up and out of a chair, out of bed. This also includes balance assessment to make sure that when you're standing there or walking that you're not going to fall over and potentially what is leading to those balance problems. But also we assess core stability just to make sure that you have that nice center of gravity to make sure that you're not going to fall over. This is also really important for our patient population after they've had knee replacements or hip replacements, as they are at an increased risk for falls. So what we work for is to help make sure that they have all the safety tools that they need and they've set up their house safely to reduce that risk of fall as they're going through their recovery. For our patient population that is going to have surgery coming up, a lot of times in physical therapy we'll do what's called prehab, which is we work with our patients to increase lower extremity strength, work on balance problems, and help increase your ability to have a better outcome post-surgery so that your risk of falls also decrease. At Iowa Clinic Physical Therapy, because we have such easy access and collaboration with the other Iowa Clinic physicians, we work closely with those primary care physicians to help address any concerns from a fall risk standpoint that they may have for their patients and that they've addressed with those patients. To learn more about the Johnston Physical Therapy location, look us up on iowaclinic.com.